Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Saving time as a small business owner is really what Blaze is all about. And instead of sitting down to create a social media post or maybe two, why not generate a month's worth of content in that same amount of time? With some of the help of the advanced Blaze wizards, I'm going to show you how to easily set up and generate a month's worth of content. From the homepage, click Create New. Then select the Advanced Tools category. Now, simply select the platform that you wish to generate a month's worth of content for. I'm going to select Instagram for the video, but you could select Facebook, LinkedIn, or X if you wanted. Now, simply describe what you want the wizard to generate for you. The more detailed you can be here, the better. You could also use the Fill in this box for me button to have Blaze generate some ideas for you. I'm going to go ahead and paste in a prompt that I wrote earlier. Now select which Instagram account you want to auto post to. Then select Have Blaze autofill the rest. Blaze will take a crack at filling in the rest of the wizard for you. So now you just have to review and confirm the choices that it made, starting with content type. Here it's pre-selected posts with stock images, which I find is the sweet spot for generating high volume, low touch content that still engages. Posts with custom designs is a great choice too, but I find myself reviewing and tweaking each of the designs that Blaze generates. And while I always end up with a really nice final design, it comes at a higher time commitment. No option is right or wrong here though. Just select what option works best for you and the amount of time that you have to spend. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it on posts with stock images. Next, select the length of your caption. This looks good for me, so I'm gonna leave it. Now select how many posts you want to plan for. You could select once a week for 5 weeks or all the way up to once a day for a month. I'm gonna go ahead and use twice a week for 5 weeks. Make sure that you have the right brand kit selected. Blaze has already selected my coffee shop, Urban Roasters, so I'm gonna leave it set to that. Then finally, in the more ways to configure section, you can add in additional things like a promo code, if that makes sense for you, a call to action, or you can even outline words or phrases, even concepts that you want Blaze to avoid using when generating your content. Once you're ready to move forward, click Generate Captions. Blaze will author a handful of captions to include in your posts. Select your favorites and keep in mind that you can edit these if there's something that's close but you just want to tweak it a little. You could even generate more if you want. I'm going to go ahead and select all of the captions and then click Plan to proceed. Now select the start date and the post frequency that works best for you. Blaze has some pre-selected cadences that you can use, but if you're already using a cadence that's different, click Let me pick my days, then you can set your days and set a time period that's specific for each of the days. Once you're happy with your cadence, click Confirm. At the bottom of your captions, you'll want to verify the name of your campaign and the project that your posts are going to be created inside of. Once you have those set, click Generate Posts. Blaze takes you to the project view while it gets to work generating the content and scheduling it out. You'll see the post populate on the calendar as it gets to work. Highlighting or hovering your cursor over a post will give you a preview of what that post is going to look like. Clicking on any of the posts will take you there to edit them directly. If, while reviewing a post, you want to swap out one of the stock images, you can click the trash can icon next to the photo that Blaze pre-selected to remove it. Then click Add Images or Video and select something else instead. I'm going to grab something from my brand kit. There. It's pretty simple to swap them out. You can add more images here as well if you wanted to create a carousel. Okay, congrats. That's all there is to generating a month's worth of content inside of Blaze. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.